Namhlanje ngifuna sikhulume ngama-players amasha. I'm talking about uVelepai, I'm talking about Ighodaro, I'm talking about uLuke Budman, and what will they bring to Kaizer Chiefs. Also, our new boy is now cleared and the paperwork is okay and he's available for selection. I'm talking about Flavio Silva. Also, we'll be talking about the ongoing loan of Samkelo Zwane to TS Galaxy. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakosistent Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa be. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from a great town. So namhlanje bafethu nginiphathela zona ishisa futhi. I would like first to congratulate Kaizer Chiefs for winning all their 3 opening matches. Kumnandi ukuwina the 3 opening matches, 3 or 4 opening matches, because those 9 points abalulekile going forward towards the end of the league, phakathi nayo league. So bona sihamba kanjani, but for now we are happy with the wins, with the performance, with the spirit labafana abanawo njengamanje. We are happy as Kaizer Chiefs fans. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, please. I'm trying to reach 4,000 subscribers by the end of this month, which is August. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's talk about our newest players, the new addition to Kaizer Chiefs. What will they bring with Kaizer Chiefs? The likes of uBudman, Ighodaro, and Velepai. Firstly, ngifuna ukucacisela kubafethu, Budman and Velepai, Buffett, they are still young, but they are still young, yes, they are still young. So, into engiyicela kunina bafethu, do not expect them ukuthi bazosibefika kwi-Chiefs, they will perform and bring their A game. Baphuma ethimini which is not that performing. They are not the best team. They just got relegated, so their mindsets are equal in the state of winning trophies and something. They still want to prove themselves. So guys, do not expect Luke Budman to score 10 goals, Velepai to score 20 goals. They are still young. Basupporteni singabafakela pressure. Let's just let them play their soccer the way they like. Bazowenza amaphutha at the end there, but let's support them. And then let's come to this guy, Etios Ighodaro. Etios Ighodaro, we can expect something from him, but not much, because he's been here in South Africa playing in PSL. He knows teams, he knows us how we play. So I think this one will hit the ground running, because I'm expecting 5 goals and above from him. So at least from Etios Ighodaro, we can expect more goals from him. Unlike Flavio Silva, Flavio Silva has to adjust first on this league, on this country, new surroundings, and then kuyimande engene formini yabo. So Ighodaro, we can expect as much as we can, but singamfakeli pressure. Kodwa kulabafana abancane, we cannot expect so much from them. As it comes Silva bafethu, he's now cleared. His paperwork is available, and also he's available for selection, and we can expect to see him anytime from now on, Gale. And that isinikeza i-depth eningi esquadini. As we know, we have Ighodaro, we now have Silva available, we have Duba available, we have Hlongwane available. So a lot of strikers now. I'm strikers. If each of them can give us like 4 or 5 goals, that's a lot from our strikers. So let's hope they will perform and give us more performances and more wins as a Khosi family. Do comment down below and tell me what ucabangani with the new signings. Ungitshele futhi ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi bazolethani kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, and also tell me ukuthi should we expect more from them, or we just have to wait for them to adjust to the big team, because Kaizer Chiefs is a big team and it has a lot of pressure. So do comment down below and tell me that. Now let's go to our developed boy, right? Samkelo Zwane. There are rumors that saying that Samkelo Zwane is about to join ETS Galaxy, but not on a permanent deal. It's just a loan, a long season loan. I'm happy for him ukuthi ehambe odlala so he can get game time, build a physicality, ebe healthy, ethole i-experience and gain game time. Mhlawumbe uzobuya esemnandi ufana esekwazi ukuthi uzokwenzani with-Chiefs. No hate from here for him. It's just that I think he's been lazy, but this loan will wake him up. Another player who's going out is Happy Mashiane. Happy Mashiane attracted the likes of Opitz College or Durban City. I'm not too sure, but he's also the other player that might leave Kaizer Chiefs on a permanent deal. Happy Mashiane, Samkelo Zwane on a loan deal. So bafethu, stay tuned to my channel. I'll continue nginilethele indaba as a grind, as a sharp. Do comment down below, subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.